Prema from LG Electronics. So today's recipe we are making for the peanut cookie. So peanut cookies recipe, here I taken ingredients of, so it's a 1 cup of peanut, so half cup of wheat flour and 2 to 3 spoons of sugar powder. So first we can do for the peanut roasting, then we can grind it of this. After the grinding, we make for the paste. So for this one I can add it for the 2 to 3 spoons of sugar powder. So we'll mix like this. So for this one, no oil, no butter, nothing it will be mixed. So just you can mix nicely. Then you can add a wheat flour and mix it up on this. This is a peanut cookie dough is ready. Okay. So just you can make a shape. So this is I can take it for the peanut crushed. So just we can make it for all this. So just we dip it on the top and we'll keep it like this. So this is we can make. So here convection 200 degree. You can preheat the oven. After preheating, set the time for 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, so this is grown-up peanut is ready. Already we made it. This is we are doing for the preheating option. Preheating it will be go for the 200 degrees Celsius. Once it will be preheated, we can keep it inside. Set the time for 16 minutes. So now it's a preheated. Open it. Keep it inside. Close the door. Set the time for 16 minutes. 16 minutes, start. See, last it will become for the 50 seconds it will become. Okay. Now. The peanut cookies is ready. Thank you.